So first of all, it is actually an honor because as I was reading about you, okay, and I was studying about you because I wanted to ask certain good questions to you. So I came to know that you have done so much at an age which is like crazy. Matlab, that's like an inspiration from my end. And that is not that I want to say it for the video, but it is genuinely from the heart. Like at the age of 22, Arjun Gupta, you are an author of two books, the A to Z of mental health and don't talk about mental health. You are a psychology student and you were about to complete your psychology, I believe, because but due to the lockdown, cases ho gaya shayad. So he's almost a
Yeah,
doctor, almost. And
almost there.
almost there. We can consider him a doctor only, but yeah, बस वो tick लगना जरूरी है. And like एक चीज जो मुझे आज पता चला, while I was just scrolling, I was not stalking you, Arjun. I was just scrolling the entire Instagram. He has been to Josh Talks also.
Yeah.
मतलब I did not know about it. So sorry, I did not know, but Josh Talks में भी he has been there. Yeah, honestly, I have the amount of respect for you. मतलब I already have the amount of respect for you. Now it's like कि intensified. And मैंने आपका वो Josh Talk का session देखा, and it was very inspiring. So like to start off, like the best thing about the podcast should be कि start आप इस तरीके से करो कि directly वो question आ जाए. So you wrote the book, Shh, Don't Talk About Mental Health. ठीक है? Why do you think people don't talk about mental health? Like what is the like अभी जो situation है उसके बाद people have started talking, but क्या ऐसा psychological issue है या क्या ऐसा चीज है जो कि हमें control करता है of talking about mental health, and what is the major reason and what has inspired you to actually talk about the same?
So when we talk about, why people don't talk about this, so
Mhm.
the psychological research which has been done in this area about what stops people from talking about mental illnesses or what stops them from sharing what they think about it, it's
Mhm.
mostly two things that it comes down to. It's the first is denial,
Yes.
that something like this can't be real,
Mhm.
and the second one is fear, that something like this, if real, must be feared because we don't know what it's going to lead to.
Mhm.
So it's the fear and denial that people have, that they just don't want to know about it, and if they know about it they don't want to accept it.
Mhm.
And when things have been going on like this for so long, when
Mhm.
people have not been talking about this for so long, it becomes the norm to
Mhm.
not talk about these things. And that's when the normalcy bias kicks in, that things will just be the way they are
Mhm.
and there's no point in changing those things. So that's the things that are in there. We just used to not talking about these things, so we think that it's too much effort to give it some thought until now.
Mhm. So, like, what inspired? Basically, I know the backstory that you have gone through and everything, but I guess most of the people don't know about it. So, like, what has inspired you to write down a book, talk about it on a public platform? And this is absolute courage. Like, it is very easy to comment upon it, but to speak about it in actual and have faced it and has been witnessing it throughout this period is something which is very crazy. So I still remember your 13th of February wala post. So so that is like, can you just, I don't want the entire, I don't want that you relive the entire moment again. That is very, very incorrect. So I just want to say कि आप एक glimpse दे सकते हो as to what you have gone through and how have you basically, I just want to know the positive side of things कि आपने किस तरीके से अपने आप को, you just stood it up, like you just stepped up your thing.
Well, when you think about it, as when I made that post, or when I, started talking about it in the first place, I wasn't really doing it out of a place of courage. I was doing it out of a place of honestly very sheer desperation, because the things that were supposed to help were not helping.
Hmm.
But I think the fact that it has turned out so well, we can, looking back on those things, say that it was courageous to do that.
Hmm.
And sharing something like this, your experience, was something that you're not really sure people would accept.
Hmm.
And the worst part, which many people don't really know, is that I had made a similar post on Instagram a couple of weeks before that,
Okay.
and I had gotten no response there. And
Okay.
I was expecting the same thing with Facebook. I
Hmm.
was just expecting people to just see and ignore it. But that's where the real surprise was, that people were so
Okay.
supportive.
Okay.
People were so accepting.
Hmm.
And that's the positives in the story, that people, despite their lack of understanding, despite their you know very limited knowledge that they had about depression, they were willing to support me, and they were telling me about their memories of me, and they were encouraging me to do that.
Hmm.
That's the main positive that I take from this. And what pushed me to write a book on it, or
Yeah.
what pushed me to do everything that I've done since then, is that I just feel like I have to make up for something. That's just what drives me. Like, I just need to do something more, something more. I just need to keep pushing myself. And I just like challenging myself for new things. When I was writing my second book, I was pretty sure that it wasn't possible. That's what I was told, actually, that you can't really write a book when you're uh, balancing a regular course around with it. But I managed to do that, and it was that drive in me, that I have to make up for something. I have to do this because I felt like it was necessary at that point of time, that people have something they can refer to, because people don't really understand psychology or mental health, and they need some scientific basis for that we can refer to this book, and this is going to be the basic bedrock of our knowledge. So that's what I did. And I feel like somewhere that was lacking in my experience as well, that I needed something like that, but I didn't have it. So maybe in case it helps someone else, I think it's a pretty good start.
So like for people who don't know, 13th Feb was the date when Arjun had tried something which he should not have tried. Okay, and I feel that thank God that he has not done that. Otherwise, शायद तक बहुत important asset would have not been there. And see, it's a matter of joke right now for people जो अभी सुनेगा, but it's crazy to think about the situation when you go back. I mean, अभी लगता है कि यार सही है ना, क्या दिक्कत है, but to just come up with it is something which is very important. But the thing is कि इसके बारे में हम लोग discuss करेंगे obviously, but थोड़ा सा let us just make it a little cooler and all. So like you wrote the book, and second book, I don't know why, I'm pretty sure that the first book was also very very special, but I don't know, just I just have this second book wala vibe for some reason, I don't know. So don't talk about mental health. May what do you wanna, like होता ना कि जिसने अभी तक बुक नहीं पढ़ा, ठीक है, and I encourage everybody to read, and I'm also expecting a signed copy from him to be received.
Then,
And so what are the three things, or I can just say five or three things that you want to share to people to take away from that book? Like what do you want, that five things? Okay, let us not bring out into three. Let are the five things जो कि आपको लगता है कि people should note down from that book, which is very very important and maybe can change your lives also, like five things.
okay, that's a thinker, but I'll try my best.
Yeah.
And this probably won't be a great answer because I am not prepared for this.
And none of the questions were sent to him. None of the questions were sent to him.
Yes,
All
yes,
impromptu what he's answering.
this is practically cheating, but okay.
Yes.
But uh, okay, first thing that people will take away from this is that mental illnesses are real.
Hmm.
Second thing they'll take away from this is that mental health is more complicated than we think of it.
Hmm.
Third thing they'll take that it can be overcome if we have a strong social support system
Hmm.
and the courage to accept what we are going through. The fourth thing will be that mm, historically mentally ill people have been abused a lot.
Very deeply said.
And yeah,
It has a deep meaning.
and and the worst part is that it continues to this day.
So like
And
yeah. So yeah, one more point is left. Sorry, four. Like
one more
one
point.
more is left.
And the last thing that you'll take from this is that even from the darkest of places, you can emerge to be a source of brightness for us.
See, I think you should caption this line. I'm telling you, for the third book, you should caption this
Yeah,
line.
I'll just write
This
it
is the
down.
direct line that you should use. Like I
I
can
have
use
this
this
notebook right here.
for a class next class and for any session that I want to take. I will use this. And from the darkest of days and darkest of periods, you can always show a brighter side of light. That's next level. So like, see, you're talking about the serious stuff which is going around, but the problem is कि जैसे अभी आप देख रहे हो कि जो recent case हुआ which took this thing into a different level altogether. And the problem is on the downside, on the contrary, where people are talking about it, on the contrary, the normal people, ठीक है, मैं ये नहीं बोलता कि वो सही है या गलत है, ठीक है, मैं हम लोग ये नहीं कमेंट करते, बट आपको नहीं लगता है कि इसका एक गलत मिसयूज हो रहा है ये टर्म का, कि normal people talking about that, you know what, I feel that I am depressed, और आई एम थिंकिंग कि नहीं मुझे पता नहीं है, एंड इसकी वजह से जो रियल एपरेंट पीपल है हु आर एक्चुअली गोइंग थ्रू इट, उनको एक डिमोटिवेशन होता है कि यू नो व्हाट, नॉर्मल पीपल लोग को ऐसा लगता है कि हाँ नॉर्मल सा, मैं अगर मेरे को एक दिन खराब लग गया मेरा मूड तो मैं डिप्रेस्ड हो गया. एंड द प्रॉब्लम विद दिस, आई फील अर्जुन दैट यू विल बी आल्सो फेसिंग, कि नॉर्मल लोग जिन्हें कोई आइडिया नहीं है अबाउट मेंटल हेल्थ, हु हैज नॉट डन साइकोलॉजी एंड ऑल, they are giving the information to people who also does not know anything. That's like a vacuum versus
Exactly.
vacuum wala thing. So what do you want to say about that?
I think you already said anything I could have wanted to say. Because that's exactly what happens.
Hmm.
So when people claim to have some mental illness like depression or anxiety or PTSD uh, or OCD, OCD is very common. You actually end up forming an image in other people's head. Like this is what a person with OCD or depression or anxiety is like. And this is like the what's the line, the deaf leading the blind. People have no idea, and they have this whole image of what mental health is like, what mentally ill people look like, that they just end up minimizing it to something that shouldn't be taken that seriously. Like depression today is equated with stress and sadness,
Yeah.
which is simply not true.
Yes.
And the only reason it's done is because depression has been minimized to the point that people now claim that depression happens to everyone at some point of their life, or that it's something that everyone goes through. But
Hmm.
it's not something that everyone goes through. Just because not everyone goes through it doesn't mean you don't take it seriously.
Hmm.
So I think it has been some sort of a backfire effect, and the psychologists of the past have not been very vocal in letting their voice be heard. So I think we're still facing the repercussions of that.
So like that's been a problem, and like I don't know if it is true, but I've seen happy going people. Like talk about any person, like I had seen Deepika Padukone going through it. Like as per my research, I don't know how true it is. Deepika Padukone has gone through it. Sushant Singh Rajput, of course, had, but it was a bad repercussion at the end. Ranveer Alivadia, beer biceps, had also gone through depression. He's talked about it. So like this happy going people, what does, like I have also, like I've heard your thing also, like in the past, that you were also having a normal sense of daily lives, and you were doing your medicals and everything. So what, मतलब अचानक से what happens that you feel कि हाँ कुछ गलत हो रहा है, and when do you think you should go for a right help? मतलब कब आपको लगना नहीं चाहिए कि आपको डेफर नहीं करना चाहिए बॉस कि ऐसा कुछ है, and immediately आपके पास वो कॉल आ जाए कि you know what, just take up help in any way, go to your parents or like whatever you suggest, like what happens to like the people basically?
So the worst thing about something like depression or mood disorders is that they happen very slowly.
Hmm.
So it won't happen that you'll one day wake up, or one night you'll just be sitting there and you'll be depressed.
Hmm.
It's not like an infection. So it happens very slowly.
Hmm.
First of all, at least in my case, what I can tell you is that it started with some negative thoughts.
Hmm.
It started with some negative perception about things that are happening around me. It started with some ideas of isolating myself, of being very lonely, and within 2 months, that feeling of isolation, it had developed into a feeling of suicidal tendency. And that transition is so slow that you don't even recognize it, and suddenly you see yourself actually wanting to die. So that's why it's so difficult to actually recognize where you should seek help, which is why there is this line that psychiatrists have drawn, that if it starts affecting your functioning, if it starts affecting how you work in your daily life, or how you interact with people, or how you usually function, then you should seek some help. Then you should say that this is not normal, I need to do something. That's a very clear line that's been drawn. But I would say that that is a very late stage that people go into. If you are able to recognize that something is wrong before that, I would encourage you to do that before things get worse. Because once functioning is affected, then we're in disorder territory.
Hmm.
Before that, it can be subclinical depression or something before disorder. So it's at which point can you recognize your own emotions and your own thoughts? That is basically when you first seek help.
So like how important is like parents, family, and friends important in this process?
Very important. Yeah. I mean, Shashank, I can't stress how important it is to have acceptance from your family and from your friends.
Hmm.
So I was doing this research about depression in men and women, and I saw so many people who were suffering simply because their family wouldn't accept it. Their family won't accept them for what they were going through. They would tell them that it's just something that they've thought of, which is what it is. But you see, that's the illness. That's what the illness is. And then there's the friends who think that it would be over by one night of drinking or one night of partying,
Yeah.
or that it's just women being extra emotional.
Hmm.
And you see, that's the problem, that when people are not really accepting of what you're going through, what you're thinking about, uh, it's not going to be easy, because at that point you start feeling like maybe something's wrong with me, not with them, because you start trusting them more.
Yeah.
And by then it's too late. When you
Hmm.
start questioning your own self, by then it's just too late.
You feel to be very fragile to take up a rational decision. That will be like a very important statement, I believe, that you're very fragile. Obviously people, if they are like, people say कि आपको ऐसे नहीं करना चाहिए, वैसे नहीं करना चाहिए, यार obviously मेरा दिमाग अगर rational है उस समय, तो मैं rational decision तो लूंगा ही, नहीं है इसीलिए
Exactly,
तो ऐसा
exactly,
situation हो रहा है. So that is one thing.
exactly.
So like there are a lot of cases like social media trolling, like social media trolling, or and I have just stated this statement in my classes also, that hate sells very easily but goodness takes a
Hmm.
lot of time. So hate is something which is like आपके लिए कुछ खराब बोल दिया, and that sells off very fast. So like, and then maybe some thing related to your parent abuse and all, and anything that you have seen in the past can also affect your present in some way, and that can
Yeah,
also lead to a problem. तो अगर आपके पास एक genuine help नहीं है, example you said parents are very very important, but अगर if somebody has gone through a bad parenting, that can happen. Sorry to say, but that happens to a lot of people.
yeah,
So in then that case, what he does, like what should he do, because his pillars
uh,
are weakened up now.
yeah, exactly. I mean, the cases where parents are not supportive, therein the friends become way more important. That that's when they have to take up the responsibility of what the parents would usually do in these situations. This includes visiting a professional. So whenever you visit a psychiatrist or a psychologist for the first time, you need to have someone there with you. And when the family is not supportive, or when the family is abusive, they're actively abusive, you can't take them with you, because first thing, they won't go, and the second thing, even if they go, they won't be cooperative. So the friends play a very important role in that situation, that you need to have someone who is willing to do that. It can be anyone. uh, for some people it's members of their extended family, for some people it's their schoolmates, classmates. But that's the toughest part, that you need someone. And if you can't find someone, it's going to be extra tough for you.
Like speak up.
And exactly, exactly. And when your parents are not very supportive of you, you start questioning your friends' motives as well. You don't really trust them easily,
Yeah.
because the trust that we have, the capability of trusting someone, it develops from our childhood, from how much we trust our parents. So that's what we transfer then to our friends as well. And if we are not able to trust our friends or our parents, it's very difficult to have positive relationships with other people in the
Mm.
society. So childhood plays a very important role. I mean, I think this was a Wordsworth poem that said the child is the father of the man,
Yes.
and that's true.
Yeah.
Like everything that happens in our present day life, it's somewhere or the other connected with how we were treated as children.
That is so actually true, because it makes complete sense. And do you believe social media has somewhere increased or intensified the level of issues that were already present, and it's just intensified because you're constantly judged, and like the entire situation?
I think social media is more complex than we make it out to be.
Okay.
So, in my case, like social media was a great tool.
Uh,
Uh, without which I probably wouldn't have been able to be where I am today.
hmm,
But I also see cases wherein social media is actually the cause of
hmm,
people going through something like this, wherein people are actually afraid of putting up anything for fear of being hated on,
Hmm.
or the hate comments that come on there.
Mhm.
I think so. What social media has done is that it has given a platform to a lot of people uh, who didn't have a platform before, and it's almost as if they've all coalesced into one giant ball of negativity. Uh, so we just like to call it social media or trolls, but it's just that they were there before as well. But earlier they didn't have a voice that was
Mm.
so audible to everyone else.
That is true. Like that's so important to understand as like कि क्या होता है क्या नहीं होता है during the social media presence and how your lives can change. So uh, like this will be the last detailed question that I will ask you, and then I have this like that is the rapid fire session जिसमें आपको एकदम फटाफट एकदम बताना पड़ेगा. ठीक है,
Wow.
because so like the last thing is कि I like maybe because of this video being sent to a lot of students who are under the age of 18 or like they're above 18, 17, 16 and all. This is a young
Mhm.
turk of people. So like what is your piece of advice, क्योंकि मैं स्कूल से भी एसोसिएटेड हूँ. So there's one piece of advice जो कि आपको लगता है कि schools को या फिर centers को या फिर लोगों को incorporate करना चाहिए when it comes to their normal studies. मतलब आपको क्या लगता है कि क्या changes लाना चाहिए, because with millennials coming on the way I feel that they are more fragile because they are holding a phone at about set class 4 3 I don't know, तब तक उनको फोन का यूसेज है. तो व्हाट डू यू फील इज मिलेनियल्स के लिए व्हाट इज द मेजर रिक्वायरमेंट और द टर्न अराउंड दैट यू फील इज important?
Um, you're talking about the kids that are under the age of 18 right now, right?
Yes, yes.
Or around
Like
that time.
about that, like till 820
Hmm.
maximum.
Around that age.
Yeah.
So considering how I'm very close to that age, and I'd like to think of myself as a very close member of that age
Yes,
group, I would
for
say
sure.
that the most important thing in this period of our life is that we always mistake our academic achievements for our career. And the thing that I did was that I was actually one of those people who was, by these terms, by the terms of academic achievements, I was very successful. Like I was just on top of the world. Everything that was expected of me came true, and I cleared AIPMT, cleared NEET, cleared AIMS exams, topped in my school. I think I was second in my school. All sort of stuff. But still, just 2 months after graduating from school, I was uh, severely depressed. So the thing that I'd say to them is that success and failure in life is not determined by the marks you get right now. The 10th mark sheet that you are so stressed about, it will be
Yeah,
just used for the certificate, proof of birth date certificate. That's what it will be.
it
The
does
12th,
now.
it does nothing else. I mean,
Yeah.
I look at it now and I'm like, what was it about? And that it's just about you don't take too much pressure from it. So I also must point out at this point of time that it doesn't mean that you don't try to study.
Yeah.
What you have to do is that you have to strike the balance, that you manage to uh, find academics engaging, encouraging, and you do it out of because you want to learn, or because you want to have some sort of playing field to have some sort of base level. uh, when I see people stressed out about getting a 9.8 CGPA instead of a 10 CGPA, that's when I draw the line that 9.8 and 10 is not that big of a deal. It's more that you got 6 and you wanted a 10. That's where you can work harder and improve. That's the main thing. Perspective is the main thing.
So schools should incorporate about this. They should talk about it. That is what you also are maybe in a way saying also कि schools को शायद इसे
I think
incorporate करना चाहिए.
schools, what schools should do is that they uh, become more honest about what this is going to lead to,
Hmm.
because we were always told that 12th में पढ़ाई कर लो फिर ऐश है,
मौज है.
कॉलेज में पढ़ाई कर लो फिर उसके बाद ऐश है. But that's not how it is. It's going to be a lifelong process.
Yeah.
And if our academic institutes are more honest about it, that this is something that you'll have to do for the rest of your life, and it's your decision if that you want to do it for the rest of your life or not, then people will make better decisions as well.
Hmm.
Otherwise, it's just that it's about just we do this much work for this much time and then it's all easy. And that's not how life works.
Just be honest is what he's suggesting basically. So basically, Arjun, that's the last part. And then अब चाहिए मेरे को फटाफट answers आपका. I know you've been very
No problem.
calm and all those things, but these are questions जो कि ऐसे लंबा हो सकता है, but I need some fast answers. ठीक है? So, sir, number one, even after everything that you have been doing now, you must be feeling low. ठीक है? कभी कभी दिमाग में negative thoughts आ जाते होंगे in your head. ठीक है? तो जब भी ऐसा कोई thought आपके दिमाग में आता है, सबसे पहला चीज आप क्या करते हो to eradicate or to shut down the same?
Play FIFA.
Play FIFA. So like in as actually play or like the PS4 one.
I play it on PC. Yeah,
Okay.
my
So
laptop.
आप लोग जो लोग gamers है, you are safe. ठीक है. Number two, like what like in
Distraction is the best way. What could
yeah,
possibly go wrong?
that is the best thing. Number two is what motivates you every single day. I guess I know the answer, but still.
I just have to do it. I mean, I just have this drive. I have to do it. I have to. It's almost as if I'm somehow making up for those 2 years that I lost due to
Like,
this
do
illness.
you feel that change is something like you're trying to bring a change is something also that motivates you?
I mean, I want to have leave some imprint on people around me, man. I
Yeah.
mean, I want to, have that create that legacy around me.
Like honestly, that
That's
inspires me also. Matlab, see, like I'm a chartered accountant. I've come into teaching, like two different poles again. Then I've again come to this podcast because a lot of times people were asking me, sir, ये answer का क्या query है? Sir, इसका क्या solution होगा? What do I do in the future? And I was like, I cannot know everything. So by this, maybe I'll also have some information because I'll also become a better person after the session. And then
yeah.
people can also know about it. So like two things that you would like to advise, you've already told about it, but two things that you would like to advise the young Turks to doing like to do owing to this entire situation that is going on, entire the social media and everything that is going on. Two things that you would like to advise them.
In recent days, switch off social media
Hmm.
because the stuff here is not good for your mental health.
Hmm.
In recent days, the
Hmm.
stuff that has been going on in recent days, you have to shut it down or you have to detoxify yourself.
Hmm.
That's the only way. Um, Otherwise, it's about more about how you use the social media. It can be used for great things. It can be used for very evil things, and it's about what you consume here and about what you choose to be that will determine who you are.
So like these are जो questions अभी मैं आपको पूछा, these are questions that have come from the other people that we had posted like a poll sort of a question. So I just tweet a bit and like there is one question that has come up कि sir अगर कभी mood swings हो जाए and you feel anxious, तो what do you suggest कि आपको चुप रहना चाहिए या अगर आपका मन कर रहा है रोने का and you wanna just cry it out, what do you suggest क्या करना चाहिए?
Definitely cry it out. That's a better option because what I've learned in my research and in the stuff I've been reading and in my personal experiences, when you try to suppress your emotions, they don't really get suppressed. They just come out in some other way,
Hmm.
and that some other way is almost always more destructive than crying.
Hmm.
So if the option is between suppressing something and crying, always go for crying.
Hmm.
So people sometimes cry in private, sometimes they cry in front of other people. Whichever one you're more comfortable with, do that.
Hmm.
But it's completely normal to cry it out because it's actually proven to be a very therapeutic process
Hmm.
that actually relieves a lot of stress. I
Hmm.
mean, people show a lot more calmer neural activity after they've cried. So, I mean, the stuff is there. You can cry it out.
डॉक्टर बोल रहे हैं तो सही बोल रहे हैं, आप लोग बिलीव कर सकते हो. एंड द लास्ट थिंग इज कि एक क्वेश्चन बहुत अच्छा पूछा हुआ है, मतलब वन ऑफ माय स्टूडेंट्स ओनली, हाउ टू ओवरकम द स्टेट ऑफ डिप्रेशन एंड टॉक टू पीपल, बिकॉज व्हेन यू आर इन अ डिप्रेशन or in a depressive condition, you don't want to talk to people, and talking to people is the only way to overcome depression. So
Exactly. That's a
like
great question.
yeah.
That's a great question. Actually, इसका आंसर मेरे को एक सुपरमैन की मूवी आई थी मैन ऑफ स्टील के नाम से, उसमें मिला था. So I'm a huge DC fan and जब ये movies आई थी
ये
I
जगह में हमारी नहीं बनेगी मार्वल.
oh my god, yeah, just end this.
that
I'm not
was
talking
the
to
that was the fifth question, you know, that was the fifth question, DC or Marvel fan.
you. Okay, we'll get to that as well. I will give all justifications necessary. But there's a dialogue in there that sometimes you have to take a leap of faith first. The trust part comes later,
Hmm.
and that's the main thing. I know that when you're in a depressed state, that feels like taking a leap off of a mountain.
Hmm.
Like you have absolutely no idea what's on the other end, but you have to take that. You have to do it, and even if it doesn't come off on the first time, you have to keep trying. That's the most important thing.
Basically, just try
Like
out. That's the thing that.
try, and if even if it doesn't work the first time, keep trying.
Okay.
Because if I had stopped after my Instagram post got like 2 likes and one get well soon, very very condescending get well soon.
Hmm.
If I would have given up then, nothing would have happened as it has.
Hmm.
So even if the leap of faith doesn't come off, keep trying, keep leaping.
That is great, yeah. So like, how important is that you should preach goodness also? Like I try to preach some amount of goodness in this entire world of fake कि आप इतना मत सोचो, लोगों के लिए मत करो, अपना सोचो. So do you think goodness is important? Because अगर ऐसे लोग अच्छे लोग आपके साथ हैं तो this really helps you to fight off the issue and maybe reduce the amount.
Yeah, it's not. I mean, psychologically speaking, it's a mixed bag.
Hmm.
So for some people, altruism has been shown to have elevated moods.
Okay.
For some, it's always shown that it has no particular effect on mood,
Hmm.
and it's basically about how you feel after doing something good.
Okay.
So it comes to an individual. This
Hmm.
is something wherein the research has shown that it's very individual experience for people to have.
Hmm. Hmm.
Some people actually feel worse about doing something good because
Hmm.
then they feel like we didn't do enough, we could have
Hmm.
done more.
Hmm.
So it's about what you see things as. I see things as, if I do something good, uh, I end up sometimes feeling like I could have done something else too. Maybe I didn't
Yeah.
do enough.
Yeah.
Maybe I could have helped them in some other way as well.
Yeah.
And for other people, it's like at least I did something.
Yeah.
So it's different for
Yes.
different people.
Yes.
I'd
Yes.
say that.
So like 5 years down the line, like 5 साल बाद में, like what do you imagine yourself once time? लंबा चौड़ा आंसर नहीं चाहिए, एक चीज. 5 साल बाद अभी आप पहुंच गए, अर्जुन इज 27, सॉरी यस 27. अभी क्या करना है, मतलब पीछे देख के क्या खुशी होगी या क्या करने का मन है, व्हाट डू यू इमेजिन योरसेल्फ?
I plan to be on Forbes 30 under 30 list यार. वो मतलब ऐसे, मतलब ना ऐसे ड्रीम सा है मेरा कि वहां पे पहुंचने का भी.
वीडियो
तो
के बाद में वी आर हैविंग अ चैट.
yeah, I would like that.
And that is awesome.
So
Yeah, that is awesome.
yeah, that's something I really aspire to do.
Yeah, Forbes 30 and 30. And like DC versus Marvel में he has already told us कि DC fan है, ठीक है.
There's only one right answer and it's DC.
That's one right answer and believe कि शायद बैटमैन होंगे इनके फेवरेट, I believe.
यार it's between Batman and Superman. Actually वो पहले तो बैटमैन ही था, लेकिन then DCU वाला Superman and was like
Uh,
Henry Cavill.
I don't know. I like DC, but Marvel is something which I prefer. Maybe I guess because of two main characters, that is Iron Man and Captain America. Otherwise, शायद उतना ज़्यादा I would not have been a fan. So I don't know. ये चीज़ तो है. और DC में भी I was disappointed by Justice League. Honestly speaking, I expected a lot, but and
We're
still,
getting the original one. We're
yeah.
getting the original one next year, so
I
I'm just
hope
looking forward to
I'm hope yeah. क्योंकि अच्छा है एकदम. And the
it.
original Batman series, yeah, Dark Knight Rises is like
Oh, that's okay.
next level. So, two questions. What personal question? You
Okay.
may also skip it. Single
Okay.
or committed?
Committed.
Great. And do you plan to come to Guwahati someday?
Sure.
So, Arjun is coming to Guwahati post lockdown, of course. ऐसा बीच में अभी
Post
सुना
lockdown.
जाएगा,
Yes.
हाँ, ये सब कुछ
Yes.
खत्म हो
If
जाएगा.
any government official is listening, we are not planning on breaking
No, we
any
are not breaking. He's
government.
not even. He's not even planning to take a 14 days quarantine also.
Yeah. Yeah.
नहीं,
We don't encourage it and we don't endorse it.
yeah. So like we are done with the entire question. I've also seen that you are into exercising and all those things also. So exercising,
Yeah.
yoga and all this also really help you in this process, I believe, because
No, it didn't actually.
did not help you. Okay.
No, it
Okay.
didn't. It was just more of a pastime thing that I used to do.
It was more of a
Pastime thing that I used to do, just
okay.
to pass my time. So
Okay.
I used to just have some. I used to just walk around or just lift some weights or do some crunches, and I thought it would help, but it didn't really do that for me.
Okay. So it's not the always the traditional things that works like in the mental health situation. That is what is there. It is
Yeah,
different.
that's the main thing, that it's always very different for different people.
Yeah.
Like for me, I found Batman was Superman therapeutic, man. I mean, I watched that to make myself feel better. So,
Dawn of
and for
Justice.
other people, Dawn of Justice, yeah,
Okay.
exactly, yeah,
देखो मेरे को पता है
and
ऐसा नहीं है.
so, so for different people, different things work for them,
Yeah.
and it's about finding what works for you.
Yeah.
So for some people, it's about meditation. Some people work with spirituality well. One of my friends who had been struggling with it for like 2 3 years, they started doing some spirituality stuff, and it worked for them. For me, movies work, books work. So different for different people.
So yeah, like even if there are certain questions that have been unanswered in the question, because these are mere questions and whatever I received was there, I can still ask him. We'll link everything down. Instagram, YouTube, जितने भी यहाँ पे सब कुछ आपका डाल देंगे. Let us hope कि
Yep.
इस sessions के बाद में we also get more people. I don't know about others यार, but after I followed you, started following you on Instagram, I've listened, like ये आपका शायद chain of events या algorithm, I don't know, but a lot of people in the Department of Psychology have started following me. Like I don't know why.
Huh?
But yeah,
Nice.
I've been in the department of CA for a long time. I follow a certain amount of startups, but ऐसा कभी नहीं हुआ कि literally I've got your Amit Panwal. Like I don't know if you, I guess you follow him. And there are today one
He,
doctor, or one doctor was also there. She also followed. You all follow her also. I forgot the name. Sorry, because अभी थोड़ी देर पहले I got a follow request. So that's amazing. Yeah, like the community has become strong. I hope कि यार कुछ अच्छा हो. And we look forward to do more sessions. And for some dusra crazy ones, and of course we'll talk about the 30-30 also, pops 30 under 30.
yeah,
And
yeah,
I hope that we had a beautiful session. We'll just
yeah,
wrap up. And
amazing.
any final words with Arjun? Last words?
Last words. Yeah, I'm not good with last words. Uh, uh, buy my book, I guess.
Buy his book. Buy his
Available.
book. Amazon
Buy my
link पीछे
book.
दिया होगा. And like
Actually, I have it right here. Yeah, buy my book.
yeah,
Available on Amazon and
Amazon.
somewhere, I guess.
I guess that's one of the best books. He's giving me one book for sure, which I'll be reading. Okay, very being
Just send
very
me your
honest.
address. I'll send.
Yeah, sure, sure. So take care, everybody, and yeah, bye.
Bye bye.